Happy Saturday! So guys, ginawa ko yung hair ko kagahapon guys. Ang ganda yun. Kinulot-kulot. Gusto ko siya. Halis kami ni Craig. Magpasyal-pasyal lang kasi Sabado naman. So ikot-ikot tayo kahit saan. And we will bring you there. Alam niyo naman, pag Saturday at Sunday, umaalis kami para ano lang, pasyal-pasyal. So, ginawa ko yung aking buhok kagabi guys. Inano ko lang siya, yung maliliit na centipede. Ginanan ko siya. Tapos ngayon ko siya tinanggal. Tinulog ko siyang ganyan. Then naglagay din ako ng sariling, ano lang yung parang natural fake lashes lang guys. Ako lang yung naglagay. Sariling sikap para hindi masyadong magastos. You know. So, ayan si Craig. Busy siya dyan. May ginagawa siya. Tapos ako dito, aura-aura lang. So, alis kami guys. Gusto kong kumain ng pizza na may pineapple. Parang gusto kong kumain nun. So, ganda pala pag ganitong lipstick na. Parang nakakaputi lang siya ng face. Yan lang yung lipstick na nilagay ko. So, ang galing ganda na talaga ng pag-ano ng mukha ko guys. Oh. Dahil dun sa ginamit ko na Korean product. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng lapat ng foundation. Yes. Ito pala yung suot ko guys. Kasi malamig ngayon. So, pero malamig pero labas pa rin yung dibdib. Pero ano pa ako, may susutin pa ako. Ayan doon.
So we want to go to the nursery all day?
Yes. Cinematic.
Seen what?
Cinematic. Babe. Blacking it.
For your once.
Like I'm dragon. Babe, cry over. My husband is there. Look at that. Hello guys. We're going to have a
Perfect because it's got the blue one up the front.
You do it?
No, babe.
I love you do it.
No, babe.
I'm so
It's
lazy.
your turn, babe. Turn around.
I know already.
Let's see.
If I'm the one gonna drive, I'll do it. But you're the one who's driving. Sorry. Okay, I'll do it because you buy me a sport. No. Binilihan ako ni Craig ng sport pants, guys. Para sa aking Pilate. And ang mahal talaga ng sports pan. But sabi niya, isang beses mo lang ang bilihin yan, kaya bilihin mo na. So, binili ko. And it's really good, my dear. Ang ganda pa rin ng hair ko, guys. Wala akong binilagay na spray or anything. It's still curly. Ang ganda niya. So, yeah. Yun ang ano ko talaga sa yung ginamit ko na pang Korean. Ang ganda talaga niya. Ano hinga natin kasi para baka maliwanag masyado. So, ayan. Ang ganda niya yung binili ko sa Korean. Basta Korean product talaga magaganda yung ano nila guys. Yung Dalva. Basta Dalva. Bukas pupunta kami somewhere ni Greg. Kakain kami ng ano ba yun? Crawfish. Kasi na-miss kong kumain ng crayfish. Ganda pala ng ganitong kulay ng lipstick nyo kasi parang yung mukha mo nagiging light siya, parang hindi siya overpower pag kumpara sa mga red lipstick. Parang ano lang siya, natural color, so maganda siya. So yan yung aking buhok guys, very curly na siya. Kanina ano talaga siya, ngayon medyo lumaki-laki na siya, pero I still like it. Ganyan. Ganda niya. So, ayan.
I forgot to close it, babe.
Huh?
I didn't close the fuel cap before I walked away to pay it.
Oh my god, danger.
Sorry, babe.
It's gonna be dangerous.
Sorry, babe.
The fire will be going. Fire extinguisher. Do we have fire extinguisher in our car?
No.
Do you need to have that?
No, you just run away.
Run away.
Yeah.
I thought you need talaga that one, my love. Really?
You could, but then you got to replace it all the time.
Oh, my sunglasses is there. So yun lang guys. See you again later. Bye! We're going to Bunnings. That's Bunnings.
Yeah, so we need the one that's like an algae sprayer.
Bibili kami nito guys kasi yung sa driveway namin may tumutubo na mga damo na maliliit doon sa fiber ng driveway namin. Kaya bibili si Craig. Spray niya para mamatay yung mga So yan. Yan yung napili namin. Yun lang.
Let's go around the corner.
Ay, we're done.
It's just like a...
Keep moving mo lang.
Huh?
You keep moving.
You want me to stop?
No.
So this is all plant food as well.
How about the seeds for grass seeds?
Yeah, well they do have those, babe, but like I say...
You're the one knows it, so I'll leave it to you. So we're going back home, guys! It's a little bit dark na. So i-vlog ko yung mga napamili namin. So, bahay na kami, guys. Pabili kami nito. Gustong-gusto ko yung ganitong potato. Maliliit siya. Tapos smash mo lang siya. Lagyan mong butter. Oh, yummy. Then, bumili kami niyan doon sa Then, my favorite, baby carrots. Baby carrots. And then, this one. Yes. Let's put that in the
Yeah,
fridge.
it's locally grown though, babe.
Yeah. How's yeah.
So do we need the dockets? We don't have any dockets, do we?
What that is that?
I might keep the first one in case the sprayer doesn't work properly or something.
Then, bumili ako nito kasi pang kids, guys. Kasi wala silang maliliit.
Forgot you had that.
Yeah, I have to put stone. I'll put that and put stone in the top.
Yeah.
Nakabili ako dun kanina, guys, sa mga maliliit. It's so cute. Hala, they have words. Thank you, they said. They said thank you. Facebook, they have Facebook.
The bronze dragon, is that what it is?
Yeah. So, ang cute nito, guys.
You want a cup of tea, babe?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Noisy on your vlog?
No, it's so good. Ang cute, oh. Ang ganda niya. So, kahit anong color ng damit mo, pwede siya suot. And then, bumili ako mga rings para pag nagpicture ako ng client, nag-iinit si Craig ng kape, guys. Kaya, maingay yung aming So, bumili ako ng mga neto. Para pag may nails ako na gagawin, parang i-design ko lang siya sa mga kamay nila. Tapos picturean, ganyan. Amazing! Diba? Ang cute. So, bumili akong dalawang rings. Mga lang, passion lang, guys. Mura lang yan. Then, ito. Yung ilalagay mo siya sa mga damit. Wait lang. Natawag niya. What do you call this, Malab?
Is it a brooch?
Brooch?
Yeah, it's got a pin in the back.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a brooch.
So, diba? Ang ganda. Then this one is a rose. May rose. Marami na itong natin, guys. Video natin maghaba na yun siya. Rose. Malab. This one. I like it! Yeah! Ang ganda nito. Suotin ko ito mamaya sa dinner. Mag-dinner kami. Maglalagay ako niyan. Sticker as well. Meron pa akong binili doon sa sports. Binilihan ako ng aking asawa, guys. My yummy husband. Maganda siya. Darren! Kasi diba, nagpipilate ako. So ito, ginagamit namin sa pilate, guys. Ganyan siya, oh. So binilihan ako kay Craig. Ganin mo yan siya. Or ganyan yan siya. Or lagay mo sa legs. So, binilihan niya din ako ng Pilati for reformer, malab.
Pardon?
We ordered,
Reformer?
yeah.
Yep.
We order Pilati reformer,
Yeah,
guys.
it's on its way.
Coming na yun. So, kahit hindi na ako mag-weekly sa Pilate. Yung resistant band, yung ilalagay mo sa legs, tapos mag-squat ka. Pumili kami ng bagong plant, guys. Black na pot yung pinili ko. Kasi lagi na kami ng white. So, black na. Pag magpapalit na ako ng black na yung lalagay ko. So, yun yung aming shopping for today. Meron pa pala. Bumili pala si Craig kanina ng pang-spray sa damo. Kasi, pakita ko sa inyo ha, kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. Ayan. Kita niyo yung driveway namin, guys. Yan. Yung green siya. Mga damo yan. O, tingnan nyo. Kaya, binili ni Craig ng spray para matanggal. Kasi, baka masira yung aming, driveway. Sayang naman. So, spray natin. Lalayas kami ulit, guys. We just got home and we're going out again. Gonna go grocery. We don't have milk for coffee. Miss Natural. Craig Car. It says there, my love. Craig Cars.
Yeah, I thought we had a Baby and Barocci playlist. Maybe it's on Spotify.
That's in Spotify, babe. So, yun guys. Fine. So, bahay na kami, guys. Nakabili ulit ako ng, guys, pinabili ulit ako ni Craig ng partner ko, no? Kasi we just got the pants earlier. And we got the jacket as well. So, it's good now. Diba? Pakita ko sa inyo. Tadaan! So, turn na siya. Resistance din sa windy. If it's windy. Tapos, my hoodie. So, magkano ba yung bili namin ito? It's $75. For the jacket, $75. Oh my goodness.
$56, babe.
56. Why it's 56? And then the
Maybe because I smiled.
the pants is 100.
Probably because I smiled, babe.
Really?
Yeah.
It's cute though. So this is what I'm gonna wear when I do the Pilate on summer. On winter.
Well, bloody
So it's
anytime,
not
really.
cold. Because So merienda tayo, guys. Si Craig naglalaro. Kami sa ba? So that, guys, kain tayo, guys. Merienda. Grabe. Dalawa kami ni Craig. Pag hindi naman namin maubos, ilalagay ko naman sa freezer. So, get ready to mukbang. Fruits mukbang.
Is it?
It's healthy. It's healthier mukbang. Bihira lang magkain yung asawa ko ng prutas. But vegetables, he likes eat vegetable. But fruit,
like
sometimes. You like fruits, but you don't really eat much. But vegetables, likes vegetable. Mm. Mm. Tulo na dito sa aking towel. It's very watery. Laking hiwa. Even I eat this every day, I don't mind. Mmm. Try natin yung apple. Medyo maasim to na apple ladyfinger. Medyo maasim. Sarap to sa suka. Medyo maasim yung apple. Lalo na inunahan ko siya ng watermelon. But apple is very healthy, my love. We researched it yesterday, right?
I did say it was very healthy.
Very healthy apple. You need to eat apple every day, guys. But minsan nakakatamad lang siya. Pero itong ganito niya masarap to. Very healthy. Nakakalinis pati yan sa teeth. Ang apple. Kasi may mga fiber siya. Sour the apple, no?
A little bit.
Yun lang guys, sa posing ko lang to da guys.